Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI viral video engine, you need to watch this first. Because this tool claims it can create viral videos automatically using AI, even if you have zero editing skills, no camera and no experience. But here's the real question. Is this actually a powerful AI video creation system, or just another overhyped tool? In this honest AI viral video engine review, I'll show you exactly what it does, how it works, who it's for, and how you can grab my exclusive bonuses worth $594 if you decide to get it. Let's dive in. If you're someone who wants to create viral videos, grow on social media, or build an online income using AI, then this review could save you a lot of time and money. Today we're taking a closer look at AI Viral Video Engine, a SaaS platform designed to automate viral video creation. What is AI Viral Video Engine? AI Viral Video Engine is a cloud-based software that helps you create viral-style videos using artificial intelligence. Instead of spending hours editing videos, writing scripts, or recording content, this tool allows you to generate ready-to-publish videos automatically. The idea behind it is simple. Create attention-grabbing videos quickly, post them across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, Shorts, and let the AI handle most of the heavy lifting. That's why tools like this are becoming extremely popular with creators, marketers, and freelancers. Benefits. Here are some of the biggest benefits of AI Viral Video Engine. Create viral-style videos fast. The software uses AI to help generate engaging video content without complicated editing. Perfect for beginners. You don't need video editing experience or technical skills. Multiple use cases. You can create videos for YouTube content, TikTok clips, affiliate marketing, business promotions, and client services. Save hours of work. Instead of spending hours creating videos manually, AI helps automate the process. This means you can produce more content in less time. Inside AI Viral Video Engine, inside the platform, you'll find tools designed to simplify video creation. Depending on the version, the system allows you to generate AI video scripts, create engaging visuals, add voiceovers and audio content, export ready-to-publish videos, and customize videos for different platforms. Everything runs in the cloud, which means you can access it from anywhere. The goal of the platform is to turn simple ideas into shareable video content quickly. Results and AMP. Use cases. People typically use AI Viral Video Engine to build YouTube automation channels, create TikTok content, promote affiliate products, generate videos for businesses, and sell video creation services to clients. For freelancers and agencies, this can be especially powerful because it allows you to produce content at scale. Honest. Pros and AMP. Cons. Let's keep this honest. Pros. Beginner-friendly. AI-powered automation, cloud-based SaaS platform, saves time creating videos and multiple monetization opportunities. Cons. Requires creativity to get the best results. Works best if you consistently publish videos. Like any tool, it works best when you actually use it. If you grab AI Viral Video Engine through my link below, you'll also receive 2 powerful fast action bonuses. Fast Action Bonus 1. Commercial license, value $297. This allows you to use the videos you create for client work and freelancing. You can sell video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Warrior Forum, and charge any price you want. This turns the software into a potential income tool. Fast Action Bonus 2. Live Webclass, giveaway commissions system, value $297. In this live training, you'll learn a plug-and-play system to generate affiliate commissions by giving away free passes. The training walks you through the exact steps, making it beginner-friendly. Total bonus value: $594 free during the launch period. So, is AI viral video engine worth it? If you want an AI tool that helps you create video content faster and potentially monetize it, then it's definitely worth checking out. Especially when you include the commercial license and training bonuses, it adds even more value. Click the link in the description below, grab AI viral video engine, unlock the fast action bonuses and start creating viral videos today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.